Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Couple Meets a No-Nonsense Cop, Ends Badly."
On July 14, 2025, officers conducted a traffic stop when they noticed the driver and passenger switching seats.
Hello. You were driving.
I was driving?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
I'm 100% sure. Yeah. You have your license? Because I seen you driving without a seatbelt. Yep. You have your license? You don't have a driver's license? Because you guys just switched.
Are you positive we just switched?
Yep, I am.
Can I see a camera that you saw it switch?
When you pulled in.
Is there a camera that, can you show that camera to see it switch?
Listen, I'm not going to argue with you. Okay.
There's no reason to argue.
So you're getting loud with me. I'm telling you, you switched. Okay.
I'm asking you a question. The same way you're asking me a question.
I observed you in the driver's seat of the vehicle. Okay. Yep.
I would like to see a video like this.
Okay. Do you have your license, sir?
I do not. I have an ID number. I give you my
Okay, I'll be right back with you.
I'm on the road. My
Step out, brother.
There's a red, child support.
No, it's suspended license. Put your hands up on the car for me.
Suspended. My license is suspended.
Put your hands on the car, brother.
You seriously gonna take me to jail for a suspended license?
Yes, sir.
Come on, man. It's my first time, brother.
Stay in the car for me, ma'am.
Are you serious?
Stay in the car.
Hey, Ryan. Hey, Ryan.
You did.
I'm currently getting incarcerated right now because the police officer really wanted to say he's driving. Can I smoke a cigarette?
Yes. Just
I'm on the
relax,
phone
though.
with the-
Relax, okay?
Yeah, he said he saw me switch drivers.
You want a pregnant girl?
Seriously, man. There is no proof, man. Yeah, can I please get a sergeant here, please? Can I please get a sergeant? Because there is no proof he saw me switch drivers.
Okay, back here, brother.
I'm on the phone with the owner of my company.
Back here, brother. We'll get that all figured out.
Can I see
Finish
proof?
your cigarette.
Can I see proof?
Dude, you drive every day. Every day I see you driving the car.
Can I see proof?
And today you switched.
Can I see proof? Seriously, man.
Okay.
Is there any way I can see proof, please, man?
That's something I'll look into.
The fact that you still yip yapping at the mouth and the cop is doing you a solid by letting you smoke your cigarette. When me personally, I wouldn't do it. You know, I'm not a smoker. You know, I don't, you know, and you haven't been cordial. You've been nothing but yap, 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 yap. And now you got your girl riled up. She want to show her ass now. Come on, man. It is what it is. You got caught. You got caught. Just take it on the chin. You know what I'm saying? That's it.
I noticed you've been having it out for me, bro. You've been watching me for a while.
I don't have it out for you.
You do. You've been watching. You the one that kicked me out of that hotel because my kids were a nuisance.
Hear me out for a second. You always drive that car.
I do.
So don't lie to my face.
I do.
You always drive
But today
that
I
car.
wasn't. Today I'm telling you, I was not driving today. I was not driving today, boss. Bro, I was not driving today.
All right.
I would like to see camera, please.
I don't know if there's cameras.
I would like to see cameras, please. I do. I'm not denying that I don't drive the vehicle, but today I was not driving.
I observed you in the driver's seat of the car with no seatbelt on.
Can I get a sergeant here, please?
Yep.
This is a hereby, man. Like, you're really gonna incarcerate me and have me spend money that I don't have, man. My literally, man, I have kids, bro. I don't have funds, man.
You just shouldn't be driving. Simple as that. Okay?
I wasn't driving today. So how you doing, Sergeant? You probably, said this ain't gonna go well anyways, man. What's he say here?
At least you know it. Calling the supervisor ain't gonna help you one bit. All they gonna do is just agree with whatever the officer says. So you wasting your time.
if you're on the phone with Ryan, can you please see if he can bond me out or something? I don't know. Will I have a bond?
Yeah, $500.
So he said my bond will be $500. So I guess with $50, I don't know.
$100.
Hey, calm down. But it'll be, hey, yo, they say it'll be $100 to call a bondsman. It'll be $100 to get me out.
Okay, we're done with this. Turn around. You got any weapons on you?
All bails and all bails will be 10% or $100, whichever you want. So if it's 1,000, it's 100. If it's $200, it's
Man. He said he saw me switch, bro, and I was not driving.
Yeah, I observed you without your seatbelt on. Have a seatbelt?
I want to see video proof.
Okay.
I'm fighting this in court.
So she's pregnant, right? Ma'am, let me chat with you for a minute. Okay, so you're going to be charged with obstruction. So place your hands like this for switching. Okay?
I'm being charged.
So put your hands like this, ma'am. Ma'am, to this corner. Right here. Right here.
Yeah. What? We're taking it to court. Just stop. Yeah, we're taking it to court.
That's what everybody says. It's okay.
That's what everybody says. It's okay. I'm going to take it to court. I'm going to take it to court. I'm going to take you to court. We're going to court.
Let's do it.
We're going to court.
Let's do it.
His phone's up here. Don't
Okay.
We're gonna take it with to get a number on it.
Can I have a 1081 by rotation?
Necessary for a stop. For a stop. This is necessary. He's trying to say something. Can the window be put down?
Well, he's yelling like an animal.
Yeah,
so
because he's trying to tell me something.
you guys got to relax. Once everybody
I am
relaxes.
relaxed. I'm pregnant. I am a high risk.
Okay.
I can't also make it more complicated, so I'm trying to relax just for my baby.
Okay. You'll take a deep breath and then we'll be able to talk.
They don't care about the pregnancy. They don't care about nothing. Let's just get taken to court. Escato, he's just trying to tell them. There's freedom of speech. I am allowed to speak. I am allowed to. I didn't do nothing wrong, Mom. It's fine. I'm taking this to court. I didn't do nothing wrong. No, I didn't do. I am pregnant. I am 33 weeks pregnant. This is crazy. They're saying we jumped. I jumped. Come on. Be for real.
It happens all the time.
At daycare. They got cameras in the daycare. They're gonna see me pull up. I am getting everything. The other two little ones at the daycare.
That doesn't justify it. Because you guys did the switch right here. So that doesn't justify who got in the driver's seat at that time.
We just dropped them off. Literally, they have time of everything or something. El jefe, tiene que llamar al jefe de él. He's trying to tell me the number, but they won't put the window down because he's acting whatever. He's just trying to scream. He's stating that he's acting dead though, when he's just trying to speak. At this point, we're in handcuffs. What the we gotta do?
It's gonna get towed, but we're not impounded.
Where are you towing it to?
It should be CNS or for Shattuck. What's the number?
And my mom can't take it?
We already got a tow coming. And she's not with another person, right? That's the only adult there?
But I mean, she could drive the car and have her husband or her daughter come back and pick up her car.
Yeah, no, we're gonna tow it, okay?
Come
What's
on,
the
please,
number?
man. I don't have it like that, man. Please. Can you just cut
Dude,
me
you
that?
just lied to my
But can
face.
you just cut me that, please?
At least be honest with me,
Can you?
and then I would work with you.
I'm sorry about that. Honestly speaking, man. I am sorry
Because you
about
made me
that.
look like the wrong in the wrong here, and I know
Listen,
I'm not going to just lie.
I've dealt with you plenty of times, and I know you're an upfront person. I know that for a fact.
I would never lie on this person. You know that, right?
Listen. You dealt with me with Officer Brown and Officer.
I know. Yeah.
I know you're an upfront person.
Yeah, I am.
That is my fault. I am so sorry about that.
Okay.
But I do not have the money to get my car out, man.
Oh.
I barely work, man. I work 3-4 times a month.
All right. Well, now since you're being honest with me and you admitted to switching, I'll cancel it. Okay?
Thank you.
I'm going to cancel the record because he's admitting that he switched now. Okay. And he's being cool. Driving down to 71 Central.
Yes, I have her mom right here at the moment. She could take the car to the house and have her sister with license to come pick up her car.
Can you cancel that 1081? He's got somebody coming to pick up your car.
Yes, that's her mom's personal phone number. She's currently here right now with our oldest
See,
daughter.
when you're honest, it's it's smoother, okay?
Yes, sir.
I just canceled the tow. I'm saving you money. I got a job to do. I hope you understand that. And I'm straight up with everybody.
I
Okay?
do. Listen, I don't lie to cops, man. That's not my thing. I'm saying I'm upfront with them too, man.
Alrighty.
That's what gets me in trouble.
The man and woman were both charged with obstruction. Thanks for watching today's video. If you
He says, the last thing he says is, I don't lie to cops. I'm up front with them, but you was lying this whole time. Come on, man. They could see when they get behind you, they could see the silhouettes of people's body moving and all of that. Come on, like you it don't matter. Them tents and all that. Like, come on, they could see it. They could see it. They could see when you driving and you fumbling around, like they put the lights on and then you start fumbling around or whatever. They know something's up. They know something's up. And then you got your girl over here co-signing it as if, come on, he know what he saw. You can't make it up, and now it just makes both of y'all look like an asshole. You know, just don't say nothing at all instead of just lying. Come on, man. Anyways, I think the officer did a pretty good job. All right. I give him 5 out of 5 just because, you know, he was reasonable. You know, a lot more reasonable than I would have been, just because, oh, let me smoke, let me do this, but you making me look like an asshole and making me look like a liar. Why would I give you any of these privileges when you're not keeping it 100 with me, man? Be upfront, be honest. It is what it is. You got caught. Take it on the chin. Take it on the pat of your back, you know, and move on. That's how it should go, man. All right. You got me. That's it. Anyway, so yeah, 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.